It's here. Ah. Well, it's here. Got a new piece of equipment for the lab, aka the home gym. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what we got here, huh? I mean, I know what it is. But do you all know what it is? Of course you do, because you clicked on the link. This is our Kabuki straight Cadillac bar. And it is secured in here tight. So, really excited about this bar, because other than the straight bar and the earthquake bar, we got a football bar, but it wobbles, right? It's a flat bar. This is kind of a cheap one we got just to fill in the gaps until we got more equipment in. But the flat bar's got no bow to it, so it wobbles on you when you pull it out the rack. This one's got fit camber, a lot of different places to grip. So let's check it out. All right, so we open the box. Immediately we have a little piece. Cool. I'm betting these two are man pieces. Get out of here. Ah, here we go. Tag as well. That's got a really nice texture finish to it. Wow. I didn't realize it was like that. That feels great. All right, let's get these. These must be the end pieces. So, it's nice they ship it like this. It makes it a little bit smaller, a little more dense. Yep. Got some screws, got some assembly to do. Ah, there are sleeves. Boom. And we also got some stickers, whiskey and deadlifts. That's cool. Little Kabuki guy. I'm gonna find a spot for him. What else do we get in here? Making the world a better place through strength. Kabuki strength. There's another sticker. Got a lot of stickers. Look, 6 stickers. Cool. I'll find spots to stick those. Maybe my son Julius will. We'll figure it out. Cool. Well, let's get this bad boy assembled. Okay, this looks simple enough. Yep, hardware included. 6 bolts. Cat nuts. Insert sleeve in the hole. Basically, sleeve in, cap nuts, 2 washers. Simple. Washer, cap nut. Oh, legs are killing me. I don't even want to stand up. No, don't run anywhere. Sleeve. Ow, pinch your skin. Let's go ahead and stand this bad boy up. Alright, so sleeve in. 1 bolt. Drop through. Probably a cap nut and a bolt on and a washer on that side, right? Imagine. Or 2-page instructions. Continue on. Just want to make sure there's a washer on the back cap nut. Looks like there is. Yep, just double checking, double washers. Boom, washer. 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 Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay, washer and a cabinet. Sure. I'm just gonna tighten everything up, hand tight, and then I'll go back with the wrench and kind of give it a little torque. Hand tight. Nut. Washer, nut. Right. There we go, hand tight. 1/2 done. That was easy enough. Second half. Getting after it. That boy came just in time for our speed bench tomorrow. All right. Last one. Of course. Voila. And here we go. Fully assembled Kabuki Strengths Cadillac bar. So, this is a sweet bar. It's got a little bow to it, as you can see, but look at how it balances on my hand, right? I'm actually not trying to actively, it just balances naturally because it's got this cambered bow to it. All the other ones are straight across, and there's no balance point, right? So these have a little bit of angle, so as you lay back on the bench press or even shoulder press, right here, we've got more stretch because we can get down a little bit deeper, and we've got better range of motion. So I can't wait for tomorrow. We will be debuting this for our speed bench day. Can't wait for that. Kabuki Strength Cadillac bar. Not bad. Let's see how it works.